Welcome. Today I am with JBL Endurance Peak II earphones and I'm going to show you how we can turn them on and turn them off manually. So as you can see, right now I'm connected. Everything is fine. And if you want to turn them off, take a look. We have right here these parts and they comes all around our ears when we put them. So to turn them off, we have to stick this part. Let me just get focus. This part to this part, so make it like that, and do the same with the right one, and take a look right here. As you can see right now, we are not connected, they are disconnected. To turn them on, just lift this part right now. We are connected back. So that's how we can turn them off and turn them on. Very simple, as you can see. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.